Hey y'all, Mike here from allamerican.org, and today we're talking about scarves made in the USA. So the weather's cooling down out there, so it's about time for some American-made scarf recommendations. Now, per usual, we've also written about this research on allamerican.org, so I'll put a link to that in the description below, as well as the cards at the top of the video. Now, in terms of material sourcing, you're really going to have a few different primary materials that scarves are made from. There's going to be a lot of options out there that are either made from cotton, some sort of synthetic material like acrylic or polyester, and then you also have a lot of wool scarves, cashmere, and silk. Now, there's some other different types of materials out there, but those are typically the main ones, and a lot of them have good American sourcing options, particularly cotton and wool. It's really when you get into the luxury materials like cashmere and silk where a lot of those raw materials are imported. And it's not for lack of trying. There's certainly been some efforts in the past to try and get those raw materials to be grown and sourced. In the US, cashmere comes from the underbelly of a specific type of goat that is primarily raised in China and Mongolia. And then silk comes from silkworms, who are actually pretty sensitive to the environment that they grow in, which primarily happens in Asia. So just know that going in when you're doing your research on scarves, that some of those materials, it's just going to be really tough to find stuff that's 100% made in the USA, and that is the same case for some of the brands that I'm going to be recommending in this video. Some of them are just assembling and knitting their scarves in the US just because there's really a lack of raw material availability from US suppliers for some of the materials that they're using, but there's still a lot of great American manufacturers that are using raw materials that are sourced from the US as well. So let's jump into these great American-made brands. Make sure to leave a comment below if you have any questions or you have a brand that you want to shout out that I didn't cover in today's video. First up is American-made alpaca. These guys are based in Hudson Valley, New York, and make scarves and other accessories from American-raised alpacas. Their farm not only has alpacas, but lots of goats, llamas, and other great animals, and they make a ton of accessories from the wool that they gather from those alpacas. So everything from scarves to headbands, socks, gloves, and a bunch of other stuff. But the great thing about this alpaca wool is it's naturally hypoallergenic. It is super soft and comfortable and going to keep you really warm. So if you're interested in an alpaca wool scarf, definitely check out American Made Alpaca. Next up is Made Here New York. Made Here New York is based in New York City and is founded by a fashion industry veteran who was designing sweaters for over 15 years and then jumped back into the business with a manufacturing operation of her own. She has a bunch of different style options when it comes to scarves. Everything is 100% cotton, and she also makes really awesome throw blankets as well, so definitely check out Made Here New York. Next up is Late Sunday Afternoon. Late Sunday Afternoon's based in Venice, California. They got started in 2012 and make a lot of different clothing, accessories, and home goods out of their store in Venice. They're a no-waste business and everything is hand cut and hand sewn at their store, meaning no two scarves are going to be the same. They make some pretty cool stuff, especially for warmer weather if you just want like a little light scarf to go with the rest of your outfit, so definitely check out Late Sunday Afternoon. Next up is Los Angeles Apparel. Los Angeles Apparel is a brand I've mentioned a few times on the channel. They're based in LA and they make a ton of different clothing and accessories, but they have a lot of scarves in their lineup as well. Most of the scarves in their store are made from synthetic materials, so think like acrylic and polyester, but they have a ton of different super fun styles. So if you are looking for something a little more bright, definitely check out Los Angeles Apparel. Their options are also really affordable. Next up is American Trench. I've also mentioned them a few times on the channel before. They are a great online retailer that partners with a lot of different small American manufacturing facilities around the country. They have a few different material options for scarves in their store. They have some cotton options, some wool, and some cashmere scarves as well. Now, like I mentioned at the top of the video, cashmere is a really tough material to find US sourcing options for. So they actually import that cashmere from a Scottish importer, I believe, and then everything is knit in Texas with the factory that they work with down there. But like I said, they also have cotton and wool options, so a few different things to choose from in the American Trench store, so definitely check them out. Next up is 8th Generation. These folks are based in Seattle, Washington, and are a Native American owned and operated lifestyle brand. They have a lot of different products in their online store, everything from home goods to jewelry to clothing and accessories, but everything is very Native American inspired, and they actually partner with a lot of local Native American artists to come up with all of the designs for their products. Now, not everything that they offer is made in the US, so look for their gold label collection, which is going to be the wool textiles like blankets and scarves that are made in the US, and of course with that Native American inspired design. Next up is Silk Scarves Colorado. This company is based in Colorado Springs and is a great option if you're looking for something a little bit more fashion forward, but the classic silk scarf look. All of their silk scarves are handcrafted and actually hand painted, so it's basically like a work of art around your neck, which is pretty cool. They have a ton of different style options to choose from. Obviously, since they're hand painted, each one is really unique versus everything else that they offer. So if you're looking for a really high quality silk scarf to really accent your outfit, Colorado Silk Scarves is a great option. And the last brand I'll mention in today's video is El Fabrica. These folks are based in upstate New York. They're a women-owned and operated business that makes really chunky knit scarves that are going to last you a really long time and be super warm. They use all natural fibers in all of their scarves and have some really classic colors and styles. So if you're looking for that nice, big, chunky scarf that's gonna keep you really warm, then El Fabrica is a great option. And one more bonus tip for y'all is if you're looking for something a little bit more lightweight, like a kind of military style tactical scarf, those are the ones that I actually prefer. I actually don't have any what you would consider traditional scarves in my wardrobe, but I do like these lightweight options for when it's really hot outside and I really want to just protect myself, my head, from the sun. But I really love these kind of military style tactical scarves. I have a few in my closet for, like I said, when it's super hot outside and I want to protect my neck and head from the sun. But I got this at a military surplus store in town, and it is made in the USA. So definitely check out your local military surplus stores. You can also look at some thrift stores and others for scarves that are like this, but this is a great addition to the wardrobe in my opinion. So if you're looking for something a little bit more this style, military surplus stores, I'll put links to a couple of online ones in the description below. All right, y'all, that's it for this one. Let me know if you have any questions in the comments below. And as always, thanks for supporting your country and shopping American made. See y'all next time.